the only child you have, you cannot expect us to saga her. You expect your child wait the husband ask me to feed you. If they give you money, if she gets, because now she have responsibility of 2 children. If it's they give you, if she get as a mother, and it is your responsibility too. If you see what your pikin go like, you go still back and give am. As far you are a mother, even if you say this girl don't reach 40 years or 50 years, it will still be like a baby for your eye, because now you born now. Not what they tell us, say, see what they do for her, make sure they do the thing for you. You even they tell your only daughter to your family members, your step brothers and step sisters. But you don't know be witch, Iyenukokomo. I fear you. If you can come on media to use your pikin take collect 1,000 view, then other people's children that is around you is not safe. Because now you make your pikin blow you for her. Pikin will go do something, she's small. You don't they see the thing when she do wrong. You don't know the papa and I beg you. Now let my pikin wasi ameo, walao. This is what it's. Now the result be this one. The biggest finish now for you and your pikin to even fight alone. That is the biggest thing. And now I hear say police don't even involve for you and your pikin matter. And you said it today with anger, say you not get pikin again. Iyenukokomo. You have to bring out water from your mouth. Make you to say the quarrel where you and your pikin quarrel, you not give man, you not give woman. Iyenukokomo, I give you nothing 3 days to do this. If not, I'll come saga. The kind of salt when I go pour for you and mama, you go even if you like, you not forget one help you did for me. Go on live video, go bring water, come outside. Say, because life is so spiritual. Now you supposed to give me this advice as a 52 years old woman. But now me can't give you. You don't know what's life. It shows not be by age, not be person they get sense for life. No matter what your pikin go do you, now still your pikin. Try to settle down with them. This is your blood. Not be say your mama, not be say the same papa, the same mama with you. This one now the pikin will use your total boy Iyenukokomo. What kind of nonsense is this? Hello, bro. Adeo. Mami kini se ko ni iwanu wana turi, but if for me to ni ha. Oh mama, me ado wa wewa. You understand? Now, we don't know when this thing deal with, when is your eye get problem. You dey hospital, you were doing life. People were asking you, Iyenukokomo, what happened to your eye? You say you use and hit something. Nobody even get that idea. Say now your pikin, now do you this thing. Your pikin name for TikTok now, whether na hot shoko. Hot shoko. But you expose your daughter by calling her traditional name, Usarukwe. Iyenukokomo, if anything happens to your child, I will never forgive you for life. Now you involve Francomozo. Why are you not shouting? Say Francomozo want to collect your pikin from you. Oh, you want me? You may we use only waiting happen to you, or waiting you judge give us to saga your pikin. No, Iyenukokomo, waiting they try to do since morning. I don't understand. You want me we help you saga your only pikin? I bet do video may we help you saga your only pikin. Because a lot of people they do emotional blackmail. He blame mama for her. Now see finish me can blame mama for her. You where they look me so me where they talk so we go fit blow mama for I. Our tap and gift. Our rosary. Again, now see finish now. It start from small pikin. Others and only daughter. If you talk to her, Enokokomo will say, what's over there, now you are not enjoying what you have labored for. Why are you crying? You get to ask for Bini, you not sell one. And I hear say rent dey there. Rent Ilewa. Rent there. You collect the vet for there. You want me to consider donate 15 million naira for you? Me to go Africa. Enokokomo, I am sorry. I will never be part of such donations. You get what there for the donate for person because mamu will no one of Badaji. You not give any of us money. Oh, where you want, me will give you back. As a matter of fact, how many people you don't use your platform to help? When they deport Olivier, how much you don't even get platform. You na commenters where still be like presenter. Leave your only daughter alone. She's a nursing mother. I can never saga your daughter over you. Yes, they use and say, oh, no, your boy there, you see. Now, mama, we do where we go use and who now? Now, mama, we do go us good. Now we go use and who? Nothing like African mothers. You'll see some people now, they will leave their children for Africa. Their children will say, Mommy, carry me come Europe. They will say, no. Not be say they know if you carry their children, come. Because if they reach here, things go change. Every year, if you will hear, people they call you mommy, like more good for us. If you reach here, they come say, Mommy, good morning, ma. From there, if you never greet you again. Because of the Europe system, where would they? You get money where they play coupon. You want win money where you never win before. They say, hey, Iyenukokomo, win your game, oh. You go suppose they advance your own pikin may not go they play bet as old as now you they play bet. Play bet Ninja as big as you are. So what were you thinking when they play the game? Which eye you want to play this game? This eye with the door, with the blue, I be which one? I be the other one with white. We be say up to now you see they play the game. Iyenukokomo. We are now where boa. Where so you where what's kind of mama be all this? Una not they talk now. All these women. Una not they talk now. Only mama they are not only daughter when she get why one ya. Una no talk now. Mama piki come to the extent they say they fat. See the way they fat. What baby now? You don't want to. For your pikin and you to who stage blow self now, na the biggest failed mother. Where would your glass yao my brother say? Iyenukokomo, you are a failed mother. I don't train my children. Say me they disrespect me. I train them to respect me till I old exit this planet. And for that simple reason, even if when I'm old and I know if they jump again like this, they go hold that thing because that is what I taught them. Sometimes my wife go say, I only thank you. Not be loud, they don't change you. If they eat now, they say, Papa, can I take meat? I say, yes. Catch them young. They want to see children. All those ones that when they spoil pikin. You are my God, Kokomo, small pikin like this. Hey, congratulations in advance. Why you maybe you will not be either blow now, belly or shook knife. Because now what you use your hand cause. That be that one. For you as a mother, you even get mad, throw blow with your pikin. You are failed as a mother. You even bat your pikin from neck. Only pikin will get. You can't go your papa side for Kagbe. You can't go your mama side for Kagbe. The only daughter that you have. The people you did say, you don't know how their belly be. But remember, Enogie, Omage Bumeria, or Wutebie, Omaga wemi geme o, ngena magmo. Omoga wemi wagana magmo o, agmo wegbegbe. Nuwe gugwa umenoro orio, agmo wegbegbe. Omoga wemi wagana magmo o, agmo wegbegbe. Nuwe gugwa wemeno, unono tite bad. As he comes to say the back deep, then he blow your eye. I stay here and like that say, the reason why your pikin get the mind, until they beat you, say you say me go remove belly. Allegedly, I don't know if that one is truth. Allegedly. In the Bible, it say, respect your father and your mother so that their days may be long. It can't still go further. When they read that part, parents, do not provoke your children to anger. Oh, wama tia say wa. Now only respect your papa and your mama na see. Wama get so bonokba. Your pikin blow you fire. Mo con dey happy. Mo con dey beat your pikin against you. You will be older person. May we leave you. May we call the beat pikin way. The only pikin way you get for life. Iyenukokomo just not be wish. Iyenukokomo, you sure? Say you know they fly for night. Because no let witch if you do what you they do so. I don't want to insult you, mama. No beside they fear you. Carry water come and say I tell return the insult when you don't give your pikin. And tell everybody to stay clear from this issue. Yes. And for you, Iyenukokomo pikin, as far as you don't the knack, you not be small pikin again. Mama na mama. Iye won some. May God not let your mama die tomorrow. You can never see anybody where you go to replace your mom. No matter what your mama do, that's why I say she not train you to be that African child. Try and have it at the back of your mind that this is your mother. You see, Frank Omoswo, that is the game he does. When you are left, he will join you against your mother. When you are no more, he will join your mother against you. That's the game he plays on his platform. Do not allow what Frank Omoswo or any other presenter will say to make you to dislike your mother. At least you are young and I know you have a husband. Please, whatsoever your mom might have done to you does not give you the right to shook and decide, yeah, I know say you say they bite you on a mistake, it's okay. But try to make amendment with your mother. Mama na mama. I hear say you say he come your house, you know they let you rest for night and daytime. They say Iyenukokomo go your day live video. You gonna say, well, share a video now me with the 13 view. You not carry grandpikin. Only pikin they do everything. Grandmama want use live video take deft e pikin, grandpikin and your husband for us. Wagaeme, you don't want me man. You don't want me man. Wagmo. Wagaeme, iye. I mean, they say go talk from morning till night. They say that one call the verse. Say which kind of mama be this one? Every good and more. Now they help one they carry pikin. Oh what a lot. To the extent the grandpikin come they observe the way the grandmama they. No more they observe. They say why your grandmama they always the face phone they talk. No say tell them and you now become a liability to your child. You can't forget that Europe she dey, no be Africa. And na Italy, no be even Germany. You, Iyenukokomo, I hear say you say the first man when he born for, say before he come back from Germany, now he go the fuck am. Wait till you dey talk for your pikin present. Because not be 1 day, not be 2 days, not be 1 year, pikin till they hate him mama. Pikin till they see mama finish at me. You might have sit down to start talking about prick and toto. Yes. see you finish. E get wetin you no fit discuss with your pikin. Not be pride, not be say and you are not caring as a father or as a mother. There are some kind of discussion you are not supposed to have with your child. Where you go come dey get with and you go come see you finish. E get one wey dey happen for Germany or recent. E dey open mama yansh. If you just see people come greet them, the husband say he small baby of 5 years. You go always mama this thing up. You go dey open mama yansh like this. They'll dey laugh put. The day party of recent for Bremen. They get the tell people say mama dey period. My mama red thing is inside her pint. On your mono your mayunu. Before mama can dey shy. Say hello sister. They say it's one pikin. For the party go dey tap how do they go. There is blood in my mama pant. Hello sister. There is blood in my mama pant. I said that when mama reach out, mama come beat her. No, you will not beat her. Because when in the house, they go raise your this thing, they open your yash, now laugh, they laugh put. Now, you don't, now they tell people say there is blood in your pants. You say, what they call that one bad pikin? Now you will go call bad mama. Because you should not train your pikin well. It still happen for do send off for year. Single mother, he get 10 years old pikin, and 2 children get, one at 10, one at 8. If month end, you go meet him, mama, they have paid, give me my money. Mama, they have paid, give me my money. Now teacher tell them for school. Mama, they have paid, give me my money. Train up a child in the way he should grow. Well. He said, Mama, they have paid. Today is on the 30. My teacher said that they pay me 180, I'll be 250. You have to give me all. I don't want you to hold my money for me. And my mama, they cook. My mama, they do everything for them. So, matter they will know the talk, they come and say, one still happen for SN for you. The girl will bring different man, they come out. Say, go mother of one. I don't want to call her name. Because they don't settle the issue in door. If you bring Mark home, if that one they fuck the mama, the boy prick go they raise. For a man, the boy they sleep, the boy go they peep, they look them. For school, that baby, 7, one go practicalize what they see for us to another of the age mates. Then they come ask the boy, how do you get to know about this? You know, the boy they ask questions. They know they beat. If not Nigerian, they'll beat the boy. But Oibogo, they ask you why. You say, "My mama." They take a picky from her. In the marriage, 2 weeks now, they give her picky back after 3 years. Train up a child in the way he should grow. Now that baby now they open my mind yash again because my mother beat and put. Why will you go to the party and a white party? All white party, small pikin for we can wear because now what mama do for a present change pad. In reach party they are announcing mama say mama did blood. Blood is my mama plant. You hear what I say? Also I go see the here, go move, go on that place. Blood is my mama. Mama call the color. I don't want to mention the pikin name. They call me use another name. JC. Come. You see that laughing? Man. Who bought this MC called it? Who bought this pikin? When they tell me, I say I want laugh here belly. Oh, you can't beat on that day. Why you not cut us now and let the pikin we get? No, if I leave her. This is the evidence of mama where this boy pikin. Where the feel say na pikin, say na small pikin. Na so add for the blow now. Because now what you is funny and not funny. Yes, because I would think teach your pikin. Why are they gifting? No, have a mirrors. Why have your na they happen so. So Iyenukokomo, the only person wey fit take over this na you. Make you and your pikin get one-on-one. Muna talk woman to woman. Make she tell her wetin dey vex you. Muna become more. See, Iyenukokomo, not to go far for this thing. If not, enemy go put one and join this matter. When you hear the see so, you can't become to the extent. Frakomozwo, I know am very well. Frakomozwo is a lion, and I am a tiger. And they talk out today. We are the men where you die do cyberspace. Is a lion, and I am a tiger. You know, say they all give lion king of the jungle for nothing. Tiger should have been called king of the jungle because tiger gets strength. Only tiger fit buy animal. Lion no fit buy one animal on his own, except all those antelope. But tiger fit buy elephant on his own. Tiger believe in one-on-one. If Frakomozwo will lure your daughter, it go open page for your pikin. Before you know, your pikin will already be a presenter. And if your pikin become presenter, you are finished. Anything will make your pikin enjoy. Maybe they give Facebook pay $100. Is the next month you see $150 for Facebook. We're phony. Hello, Baba. We say one here. Wait. Okay. Baba, ma. Yariba. Quickly collect your pikin from Momozwo. Make it not go viral your pikin. Or keep page in on your phone. Total one was so. Make they use your pikin till they do emotional control. I be emotional damage. Make people for the pity for you. Because you are now blackmailing your child to the world. See your pikin not good. Make them donate money for you. Make you go back to Africa. You dey shout, dey knack body for ground. Say, "Mommy, bring my pikin." Why help you bring your pikin before? Now outside I go help you carry your pikin before. What be you born your pikin? So why you dey use them? They disturb us. Say, "Mama, you marry o. Mama, you marry o." Iyenukokomo, the only remedy to this because we your koko egbo ye. Take a water, come on live video. You talk, you not talk again. Because now you born that pikin. And any insult you lay on her will work in her. If you don't know today, may you know. Nobody fit do me anything. And they talk this thing. The only person that can do me anything is my mother. Because now she born me. The only person that can harm your child is you, Iyenukokomo. The rest of the way they talk for your matter, they can never bring their child to social media. If this one are your sister, now would they yes, okay, now your younger sister, now your last born same father, would they hear oh, this one a person will come out from your bekos. You not get what you want to tell us, go take water, may you return all the costs. May una suffer they live on a quiet life they go. If not, it's only you they look so. If they don't virus your pikin, you don't already allow outsider because I don't see one waiting go make you call Frakomozwo. Waiting to make Frakomozwo come help you do. When you carry your own pikin, go give a Mozwo. Frakomozwo when never carry himself waka. Now you see me carry you waka. Shame on you. Frakomozwo when not see young girl marry. You can't go put the day for us. Now you go give your matter, make you help you discuss them. Frakomozwo when office settle the day and the children where they Africa. The problem now with the happen between you and your pikin. Frakomozwo they get on with the children. Frakomozwo no fit settle the day we put for us and all those one he pikin for Africa because all those one no support and say make he come marry your Mozwo. person will not get solution. Then you can't go give. I hear say they say Franco Moswo and their daughter husband, happy boyfriend, they be friend. Does not give Franco Moswo the right if you not give them the topic. May she talk put. Friends, if they follow you, they work out, may they don't know you. All mothers, abemona hear me beg Iyenukokomo. May she carry her pikin into her house. May God not let us lose our children in the process of claiming rights for public. No matter what, bringing your child down to public. You know how many people don't hear this matter? You know where this matter don't reach? When they return the cost now, if not, mama, the saga wanna go saga, you go hot. And they tell you, you say they give me my mama. Yes, my mama don't train me the way to train your pikin. My mother trained me as an African child, and I can't grow to become that mother affection. Like I have it for her. So if they use your own pikin, they compare me, they check them if na the way you take train your pikin, that's what you train. That's what they train me. My mother know this. If I do bad, he will beat me. He know the thought saying, "Na man, yeah, we don't baby." I say, I don't grow finish before this Marco come on. Everybody shower ajala yo. You go tell Euro pikin with eye, make it come off for whether for the share food. You don't fit tell Euro pikin with eye, make come off for whether for the share food. But if you tell African person for Nigeria, you don't like this. You know what papa talk with eye. You know what mama talk with eye. Now our mama they talk to us. Until we see our mama carry spoon, they eat for that food before we go come join our mama the shop. If our mama no hold spoon, somebody they tell me he can't eat, the mama say we get different strategies. What happened? What happened? You know that? You know that? If our mama tell us, we don't already know, say that food not clear. Sometimes our mama go still put us on trap. He go say, mama, Tina say mona eat now. If you eat, not be asked what they do. It can't be where you go receive. You say, mama, like you say, if I say me you eat, does that mean say me you eat? Almost one. Give me one. Yeah. You feel wake Europe pikin around to the beat am. Try am. Oh, you don't love the pikin. Which kind man be that one? Oh, pikin wey dey sleep. Oh, baba, police. When police will I'm on over here. It dey happen there for Africa. You do bad, You say you don't smart. You give it. If you don't want to, if you're bad, they critical. So me, I really meet you. They're not the today. And the one way they don't critical, they pursue you around the ass. The one way they critical, they'll give for me. You say they don't forget. Truth or theory. When sleep is sweet, and now water came. That is the most painful part. Then you know wipe you that moment. Because when me come, may you stand up, may you feel clear, may you sleep clear. You go first put the cane for your body like this. Something. Now the person tell me stand up. You know to do like this. That cane load don't let you tell you you want collect like this. Beat you finish. You can still check you if you did. You go say, "May I see your back?" I'm not down. Now you're bear you. They observe you if Mark day. If Mark day, you can't go to put all those over here. You can't go put all those over here, yo. Body. You don't ever play ball with your friends. Your mama will come with cane. They pursue you around feet. Go to home. Now your fellow person at the play ball will say, "Hey, see your mama they come with cane." Say you don't watch plays. Carry cane go spit class for Jenny here. Say now so you want to go look for one thing. You see how those neighbors, how not got police for you? You know if you use Africa to compare Europe. But we will be African parents with those stay of age. Maybe we put, even if we not feel they beat them, they were mama they beat us. No, they use words. If I don't want to beat my children, if I shout for the finish and you yourself will surprise. It's better than I beat them, so I'll shout. If they sometimes they'll carry all these pillowcase for share, the children will fling them. If I come back from mass, I'll say put it back. When I put it there, I'll direct them to go arrange the parlor before I can sweep the ones where I know they don't feel sweep. Now, if I come from outside, I say maybe just may I make an example of something for now. Maybe like this thing now, like this one now, like this one now. Maybe they ground like this. As I they open door, they come like this, and they parlor. You see all the one over. Sometimes when I will see draining, they do like this. They do like this. They do like this. If mama comes out, mama comes say, I get what mama. I say, yes, because they don't say the papa they always they quarrel. Say why the parlor is messed up. That is why they are doing it. If I come and laugh, put they will look at like normal. So that they people drag TV for. Because the first the papa laugh put. Nobody is perfect. No parents is perfect. Iyenukokomo, carry your pikin into house. Don't allow anybody to make you hate your own child when you use your totally bomb. They're gonna let you lose that pikin. There you go. No. See. Oh, what I do to myself? That's why I want to saga you. Yes. If you by mistake 3 days now I will give you me to return that course because you have failed as a mother. You have failed. Where Ije? I don't know where you even the answer Iyenukokomo. Where did the answer Iyenukokomo for? Which one more Ikoko? Pikin where you blow you for eye. Pikin where you bat for neck. Iyenukokomo. Pikin where you bat for neck. Now you call yourself sweet names. Have you mirrors? What have you already? Have you me money gone? Stop it. It's not nice. So let me pick all the mothers that are here who wants to contribute to what I talk. So if anything they want to remove, I want to come up. May I take 1 or 2? Is there anybody that wants to contribute? If there's anybody here that wants to contribute, should please request. But if anybody not there, then meaning everything when I talk in here, no need to call the add the join. Okay, somebody there. Because Iyenukokomo surprise me. Hello. 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 No, I swear, Mara. Everybody area.
Oh, if I don't get no more,
Mr. Makoyo.
you know why? Yeah, must say what little were no yagbang must say what we like it. Bell who not radio no kokomo. Asia,
God bless
I
you.
met it Asia at all. But that was here. Asia no suppose no bow who we are. You be a Latana, but maybe I'm 9.
Oh, I bet.
Now, sorry.
They pay
Okay, now this kind one will see. This will not be murder, Sha. This will not be murder. Now this one will see they talk about this girl that time when he late. Sorry, sir, as you bring the word come my Sharon. When would they ask about him, mama say, how it take treat the pikin? When people begin they ask say, why Sharon go do it, mama? Exactly like this.
Okay.
Why be say some mother go bring their children come abroad finish. You go call the house, say, may your children come see pay you. This one not come out now, talk say, may pay am. This one they use indirect, they talk say, pikin not trainer, you not give her money, because if they use indirect, they tell pikin say, me can't give her the money when they can't come.
Yes.
Because you never old, you see be 50 years, you see get hand, you see get leg. You not fit hold your pikin. Only one child when you be say you get, you not fit take care of am. You dey draw your leg, they come out. If something can see happen to Rana, you can see cry, come and say, I not say make una talk, oh, I just bring her come. Now the same woman, this useless woman. Now useless woman go call her because not be mother. Not be mother at all. At all. Now that one be my opinion. Not say make her talk. Me other person see enter. Make you go see talk. Thank you very much. I dare they watch you.
All right. You see how my people are talking. All these women, when they tell you now, say, bring your pikin come outside. They get their own for his house. The one way their children they do them, we get grown up children, and he was past the one way your pikin they do, but they can never set their children out, because now their children will carry their legacy to the next generation. Me make big general work more there. Me make boy. Sorry.
Hey, Enogie, I greet you. Good afternoon.
Let's see you, man.
I greet you. Happy weekend.
Thank you.
Well, I don't know whether you know how long this woman don't bring the pikin. Like how long the pikin don't dey for Europe. That one are number one. Nobody asked. Maybe that girl, maybe other than wearing now, maybe now 5 years, you never see to say. That's number 1 point. Number 2, the woman never old enough when no fit work. She's still very young. Like how many? Okay, 11 years. Okay. But even at that woman never old enough when no go fit work, except say he get health issue. You understand?
You not get health issue.
If you not get health issue, why? I don't understand. Okay, now yeah, why we move here and not do great, not do now here. It's very bad.
God bless you.
You want put the pikin put for people hand, maybe they insult the pikin, they go only one pikin, only one eye where you get. These days, I don't know what they worry we will be mothers, so mothers these days don't be mother again. You know how social media be, you carry your own pikin con, not do rock by your hair. She not do this one well. She not doing well. I'm not sure say the woman they okay for real, because he get one platform, yeah, where they for the talk to her, blessing a Esther talk show, where they even they talk to the woman anyhow. The pikin was there, and you know, defending her mother, say no, may they not talk to her mother, say her mother na a nice person. Even if they give him mama money, mama not they take all those kind of stuff. You understand? She was like praising the mama. You not talk bad about the mama at all. I wonder why this woman now can't come outside, can't they talk to your own pikin, so make people join you, can't they talk to your own pikin.
Yes.
You don't know say, you don't know here. You don't know say you when you go talk and now you might not mean now. I fear this woman. I be they support her before say I'll give her something. But now I go ahead to the government madam. Your own pikin, your flesh and blood, only one where you get. Only one. Only one. Now because of that pikin, I be one support you. Wait, the woman they support you. The girl they support you. A 31 years old girl, next she be. Make it come up for husband house. Make come up for husband house. Okay, see them my house, you know like her.
What? No ya agbashawo.
When oro work be ama like pomokpa no wagwagbo we mu ladan na din ado arok pe yan. You know say social media man, some of them they be otapia. So you go happy now say they will come insult your pikin enemy. Who akoko? You come dey happy. Now wow. Now let that one ask. I think maybe the pikin number 1 newly come, and the woman, if you not get health issue, mama go work. Go work. 50 years, still they very strong. It's still they very strong. Except say you get health issue. Amen.
That's why you do saga.
Igbe woman.
Amen. Well, so thank you.
Now that one now I want to talk, my brother.
Let's see.
What? Okay, Baba.
I want to play something for my people. I want to share this video. I want to see, because I can record that this morning.
Emi no ro wo ona ku we gbina. Urere. Who were women also na so no. You don't say. I even do you can wait this one. I know the people waiting inside. People waiting inside. One woman, two men. One woman, two men. Imu batere. Wamala du wa here.
What they see oh. I want your school explain something for now.
Follow me. When you give more money,
he said not get picky again. You don't know they listen to it. Iyenukokomo were here. And they hardly before they insult elderly ones in the heart. Mama not be say you see two senior me like that too. Why don't they regard you, mama? Mama, go to your bone way. Mama, so why did they talk? You say not get picking again. Out of anger, you say this. You know, person will go put hand for this thing. I'll bring you up. You know, you say what you just talk. Say, we measure, we want more. If enemy go plan for this thing, come. Ama, he did enough your bet. Thank you for the rose. Hey, none of your bet. If enemy plan for this thing, you just say you go. Tomorrow, Enogie, you are too wicked. Oh, somebody here lost the pick. It's not gay. God forbid. I they wait for. I don't pray by prayer for your picking, but now you they sort your picking and they toss you not get picking for public. I they wait.
Email, if I can hear money, if I can hear money, suffrage. If I can
hear. When I see person who say no fit work, he get passport too. Wow.
But I tell you, which kind of rubbish is this now? Mona they call me. Man like it,
he get one up there. Wait, climb up. That one go. As that one climb up, that one your boss cry. That one is Mona listen to. He climb up. You will climb up. You were supposed to advise mama. Say, mama, you don't reach. Call the live video. That one your on live. That one your boss cry. Hey, yo. No, I called the house myself. What we can we I said the pressure for this European is too high. What damn you?
If I tom your money, if I tom your mama, Iyenukokomo. 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 I got mother, I got daughter, I got father. Mama, this thing, mama.
No, that one will cry.
Mama, Granny sit there. Okay, when I do, okay, this time I went. Okay, when I do, you top and I wouldn't know my life.
This woman wear see gaji. Where person they cry. May God not let person fool me. May I donate money in Jesus' name. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, may they not use fake tears to deceive me, to deceive my fans, to raise money for somebody. When I see person with gauge, they wear canvas. When I see canvas, if they draw. He wear his signet, he go down. Wow, damn you. You see the cry? Oh, have a daughter. Me have that too. I beg, self-love here. Self-love. You are not one vasabi. Self-love. Oh, who were via to a gear? Now you picking and now you and your picky get problem. We call it cry. What you use that here as me? Iyenukokomo, you see where I see me carry your picky come out from media. Another person they cry for you and your picky matter. What do you?
Imagine go sa question tete. Imagine go you fear tete. Imagine go you fear tete.
They measure picky.
Imagine go you fear tete.
Why they listen to the person they cry?
They will take me to hospital now.
More they look this woman, why they look person they cry? We say we they talking, we they lay. See this one. He cry for 30 minutes. They call it better. And I'll not be, he not even know that before.
Yes, Iyenukokomo is going. Yes. If you were see no man,
Guys, power tap and gift. Power tap and gift. I never received one money gone since.
If Frankie be mo, he may not be Frankie be mo, he may waro, he waro very yo. He waru kwe, ofenori ma he Frankie yo. He Frankie ofenori ma ofenori ma Amala dukuna. Uma gbaya motoro. Uma gbaya motoro. Uma gbaya motoro. Wabe. Demo koko mama. Ngaku wegwa. Yeme jajima. Na me hoje. Je dare ho. Gbono kan ya de na ya fe na gena. No ko bi e magbe eru we. Jeme. Mommy ma jo ho. Mommy ma jo ho. Ke no yeri su jima. Jawe pe omo anye ko sa pe me we me anye ko na ekwe mwe na awoku anye ke ekwe mama mi eyeme o ma mi eyeme ni me ma ya wu
Imagine, he say pikin not see give am. So we are asking your child for 15 million naira to relocate back to Africa. Let me bring other mothers before I complete the one winner. Before I complete the one when she continue to speak in Italo. The Italo when she speak, oh my God. Hello, Bonona Show, Bonona Sarah. Fracomozo, me so. You saw me on the
Investor. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Frankie, Mama part 1 and 2. Okay, Agbewa. Get over la duku. The one with tea enter up, got a cry. Now what for that? So now what? But now she dey narrate the daughter now. Understand? So and the daughter where they has arrest, where they put a girl for a leg. How she want to see money?
Okay.
When new boyfriend they carry waka. Depression and traumatizing all gore cannot ya heal.
So we are going near Fefe ya wogie.
Oh my. No, because for self-love to clap, you get a crack.
Yeah, Alice go.
Salobua. Oh my God. Men give me another salobua. Investor, why you get agbewa? Oh, you say me life is the way ile la on there.
Papa no ke domo.
Yeah. Ma contribute ya.
Oh yeah, nego. 15 million naira we go here ni here. Anyway, hello. Where na make big go ni no money je. Ije me investment. Ya ya ki o gba pa no ya relocate.
Ya ri gone.
Ah.
Ya ri bon.
When the mommy ya ki o gba pa no ya relocate are in Nigeria. They don't how relocate. At least all the other one not save in Nigeria. What you power? Not so more where no do bewa. Don't have it for me.
Okay, next €9,000. What you say?
When she want €9,000 this kind of economy for you. At least mama go get her some pass two for Nigeria. She go sell one of her house. Go use one. Mama wala we but almost 1990 something.
When I go to they said the girl there has arrest.
Yes, a parent will tell you so. Now arrest the girl there.
You see this woman Iyenukokomo. Over Iyenukokomo wa down. Iyenukokomo, you are an evil mother. Pikin where there has arrest.
Yes.
Only Pikin where there has arrest. Now you say me give money. Yeah, we owe you Iyenukokomo.
What else is done? You already has arrested.
I know, yeah.
They say.
We go for see €9,000 give mama.
As on near on a Barijao. Here was on all to police, not as he has arrest.
Meaning the mama carry go as arrest.
That's arrested there.
Let it go. I don't let it go there. A book will vary. Now they donate.
Mama, ya behave. When you behave, one of the depression worry self. Any ya behave. Ah, me very cool. Investor la wo ye togo gen oro ogo gen wa ji me ya gen ma because okay.
52 years is a very young woman now. My mom was in the regime of Jackie Jenny every day.
Ah. Gbadije na mo bi are wo be won yan. Gbadije na mo bi are wo be yan won do pay gbese. La won yan here oda.
Come on down.
Mani very away mo ni madam de mo re gbe be o ki ma se ni tin an fi ore.
Yeah, we sugar get yeah, worry has arrest.
Yeah, we your more has arrest.
Because of many take gwale no babo re. E cousin sister me no.
Oh, no, your cousin sister.
Yeah.
Is that something wo pa pa no?
Como pa no me no.
Tira. Muni Iyenukokomo na your auntie.
Ma sa?
Iyenukokomo na your auntie.
Yes.
Now you go testify against the pikin when make you pikin that's arrest.
All these things where they happen. So now social media na me for the year say that they get issue. And I'm bring Nana Yasu.
Okay, you don't know since them. Let's say not too dey close to them like that.
I know too dey close to social media.
Okay. You dey look for a number.
I dey find sugar get number. Yes.
Go type am Franco Moswell. Right time I go give you the number.
Franco Moswell. Ai can. Okay, Frankie, the work is what it. No one women yeah man. I beg you.
Yeah, this one of it. No.
Okay, sorry. And I'm more
because not only he go fit give you the number. Except say I'll tell you Iyenukokomo may give you, but you are your mom and her mom, I be your dad and Iyenukokomo, they're friendly now, be. You see, get 1 or 2 issues.
Now my mom and her mom.
Now senior who senior?
They be cousin sister like grandchildren.
Oh,
grandchildren.
They be cousins.
Yes.
You know second cousin.
Now that's nephew.
Second cousin. Then you be. Oh, I don't understand.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll look for the girl number for you. Now try me follow me.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Don't move.
Got see your video where second cousin. Yes, me cousin. So it's a second cousin. Yeah. Hello.
Aha. I don't say don't pick me. Oh, if I start no get wetin I just want talking. Why agree? Oh, you say character with mama. Why agree? Say I want come mama Sharon for this matter. God forbid me that girl not die tomorrow. Now this Iyenukokomo picking. Iyenukokomo go by self come out all the aviev or you come dey talk rubbish. You see this character when this Iyenukokomo get them mama Sharon just get there. As this matter dey happen now, majority people don't go come and make they tackle this Iyenukokomo so make he carry picking enter. They want join now, Frank now want join now push and go outside. Then tomorrow now they say wala yeah, but this is rubbish because what the woman they do, it don't make sense. You understand? They not go tell her now say, madam, what you they do? Carry your pikin and task. Then they say no, that one climb up or there. What you they cry for? Advise this woman say carry your pikin and task. Most of us when madam bring come in, we even get more piece of meat than those who see their mama bring come. What's the man? We go just know that this one way can't they do so. Because this one way they do so as in a rubbish. Okay, you want to bring your pikin come and make everybody they curse and they say this and that. Just say like okay, money when I say baby you can give me chicken now. Everybody go rest. Instead, you want to bring her come and they insult her, they talk different things. Say Sharon now don't die now. They don't talk say mama pursue her come off for us. Now is the carry enter her since the call the help her. If mama want to do the same thing now, God forbid but now that pikin die now. People want come out now call they attack this old woman now. Don't they say you want love and pass mama? You want love and pass mama? Okay, what again now? The mama carry pikin come out make heaven and earth wishes and wizard. I mean that they follow and the saga pikin. Only pikin will get it good. Yes. This is rubbish and I wait because I hear they talk and say the same character with mama late Sharon mama. But the girl don't die now. Mama want to show caring. But when you get there alive, you push her to the world. You push her to the world. Now this woman want to do so. This is rubbish, eh? So mothers, the way they say they behave now, and she don't old. If not, I was maybe na this ore mother. Not be ore mother because now 90 be the source of the born. 90 woman be. So this is nonsense, eh? Mama. Epa saga di Iyenukokomo because this is character and rubbish.
No,
rubbish. You know what kind of picking a task now? May they talk there, they find money. Quick be a dog waligo. A maka gbere ni gbe aga. Don't they be like they carry old woman now. May go Italy. Thank God in Italy day. All those small boys they carry the day.
Because of you there.
They say, "Igi mama. If na me be picky, I still come and say, "Igi because you know now, like you done here."
Okay.
52 years, you don't want to work. Go and sell your ass if you are looking for money. Most of us when they here, see, Epa, most of us when they here swear, our mama don't reach 60, 70. The day market they sell. Then they struggle for that Nigeria there. Talkers of you will be 52 years.
Okay.
Wait, see, people when even they donate for an hour, they blame. When I get and I want give, I may go say yes. We need to worry because this is rubbish for me. Make carry pikin and classes pikin over die now. Because if the thing happen like Sharon now, in one come out, those two nonsense people when they come and say, "When I want love and pass mama, oguya mugbiya ya ogu sango mugbiya ya," because yes, one mati yelawa, we no more elawa now. That's the kind of pikin task tomorrow now. They come they talk say, you carry pikin. The way they say they nash.
I fit talk. I beg. I just get 2 minutes.
Man, come out if I make you talk.
We'll see. Thank you.
I greet you, Baba.
I greet you.
Yeah, Iyenukokomo, na woman be say na hardworking woman o. Na woman will be say we know each other one-on-one for most things. Yeah, she know me. Maybe she fit on the screen record. Papa Charlie Poppy for most things. But no be a matter carry me come I beg. Wait I want quick talk. No if we get Papa Charlie Poppy. Let me quick wait this person easy obedi at the fan number. I only lost my mother. Whether I feel carry her for my mother burial ceremony. Make her perform.
I know. I bet come again, sir. Why are you?
Easy obedi. I don't know whether you get a number.
Lock the door, Joe. Lock the door. Lock the door. What are bros?
I say Mama Charlie Poppy, Mama Iyenukokomo na woman I know for most years. If I dey work for a dressing show with my son for the barber. Yeah. That's an hard working woman, but I can't surprise her she can't later decide to go back to Italy. Yeah. If they screen record this video, she must know who they talk. Papa Charlie Poppy. Yeah. But nobody don't want to carry me come because the woman never a nice woman to me, but whether she can't do so with her daughter Saga, it don't make sense. Yeah. For me, I only lost my mother, the more my mother now.
Yeah, sorry.
I can't say I try beg you whether you get easy obedi number. Make I want book her for my mother burial ceremony. Make her perform. She be musician.
Obedi number.
Yeah, easy obedi abeg. Easy leg bebe.
Ikiapwe.
Yeah, easy leg bebe. Yeah.
He did not musician.
Yeah, he get like 2 track now. Now me get him. Now me get him.
Mama burial.
Now musician maybe she don't get on that track. I don't know.
Larry.
Amen. I bet no cost me. I beg. Egwi. Lao.
The other night, the man says no go burial you were.
Now musician she be now. I don't know whether.
Where me tell me again here. Where no you have make your page okay?
I know they follow him, so I know if you right.
London you dey abi we are here.
Yeah, na London, yeah, and Manchester I dey.
You in London with all them and Germany. May I give you person with the London number.
Una be both of una na influencers now.
Now, your influencing and my influencers not be the same. Everybody get where they do their influencing. And perhaps
okay, Baba.
Musician.
Okay, Baba. No verse, I beg you. I'll go find that musician then. I'll find we'll get a number. I go look for a manager.
Okay, man. I'm a musician away.
Okay, Baba. Okay, Baba.
For birthday and what you want go book up for Larry? You want go book? It's your birthday. May come they play. Now me get the break. I'm a break. Didn't win anyone. Didn't want here booking I. But why go anywhere? You say, here now you have a talent. Imana, get Imana Gua. Imana, Nia Gua, baby. Imana Guane. Now you we are. Nia Moyo. Abi, Edene. Abi is it already? We go why now? Now we drop me. We see. Household name. Household name. I drop a. If I say this thing, sit my moderator.
I'm East.
Larry, brother. Now this one you want book for your mama burial. What down with you?
But I go by iye-eki queen. I'm the queen of all the dicks. See what you want when you get for us, so we get that. Hey, give that to the DJ, please. Let me get it free. Let me get it quick. Let me get it free. Let me free. Ah, let me get it free. Let me get it quick. Let me get it free. Let me free.
Oh no, we have to burial well.
Sit down, talk. Sit down, talk. You sit down, talk. Sit down, talk. Sit down, talk. Sit down, talk.
You go just sit down, talk.
But I'm trying to collect break. If you not collect, I'm best to go help you collect the break.
No, wait. Now this one you want to play for your mama to the journey of no return. And Diamond. Hey, even if you can't tiri, enegwan. All these rules are out this. So they discreet kon yegwan. Na make na kinyakiri. Why were you? Then I be one baba. Oh, ni ma ye. But drop e moderator. What job? What do I be money? Oh, what would you? Oh my God, what we are in everyone, yeah, what we are the TV don't talk at all. Yeah, going. You wait, why if you're